Hello and greetings. We are Team Senior Tech, and this is our project, Impact Chain. Indian data sets are very scarce in today's world. There's a huge demand for good, clean, and credible Indian data sets, and we are here to provide them. Impact Chain is a platform that is used to bring together various contributors like validators, researchers, and donors, and they're matched with NGOs. These NGOs are for the connected to organizations like hospitals, old age homes, and orphanages, which help them collect clean, good, and credible data. This data is then uploaded by the NGOs to our platform, which is then validated by the validators by a consensus mechanism. This dataset is then made publicly available for the use of the researchers to give back to the society. So let's see how this pans out. So as you can see, we have integrated the Coinbase smart wallets. We approve it. It gets connected directly. We can sign in as an NGO. So let's see what the NGOs can do. NGOs can look through all the causes that are going on the platform. We have climate change, we have poverty alleviation, we have health and well-being. There's so many causes that an NGO can actually contribute good data for. So they can look through different causes and they can actually contribute to it. Once they are ready to contribute, it comes in their My Causes data, their My Causes section, and they can upload data. They can just name their data set, like let's say it's health. They can choose a file, maybe a health.csv. They can give a description to it. It's a health data set. As soon as they submit, we can see a transaction happening. A proper transaction happens, which calls the smart contract, which uploads the data set. We have used a Kave file system to store it on the blockchain, this decentralized storage system, so that nobody can actually tamper with the data that is being uploaded. And it can never change, so it maintains its credibility. So that is pretty much it. As soon as the wallet is disconnected, they are logged out. Let's see if we connect the wallet again and this time sign on as a contributor. We can again, the all causes, they can see what causes there are. So there's that. They can see the causes that they have donated to or validated data sets for, or maybe they have created. So all these causes that they have contributed for will come here. Now let's look at the different type of contributors and what they can do. So a researcher, let's say a researcher wants to research about some topic and they come to our platform to add a cause. They can just go to this add cause. Let's just say climate change, and they can add a description of why we are doing it. And they can just add a cause. Now adding a cause is another transaction that is to be made to the Solidity contract that is being deployed on Polygon POS for us. We can see it takes a little bit of time to actually complete the transaction. But as soon as the transaction is completed, we will get a pop-up saying that the cause has been added. Further, there are donors. So the main idea behind donors is they can donate ERC tokens, they can donate money to different causes. So let's just say I want to donate some governance tokens for poverty alleviation. So as soon as we do that, there's another transaction that is being made from my account to the smart contract. And as soon as that transaction goes through, it is being recorded on the block, and we will be having a pop-up that pops up over here and tells us that we have donated to that specific. Yeah, so there's that. Now, let's just say that there was a cause and some NGO had some kind of a data set uploaded for it. So for the users, let's just say I'm a researcher and I want to validate that data. I can download that data. We can see there is a data set that I can download. As soon as the data set is being downloaded, I can look through it. I can see if it's a good data set or not. And then I can choose to validate or refute it. So as soon as we click on validate, it tells us that if we are validating it, we will be submitting some kind of a stake to it. And if it turns out to be fraudulent, it will take away all our stake. So this is another transaction that happens on our platform. From our platform to the smart contract, as soon as it goes through, we will have another pop-up that comes here. We can see that we have successfully validated it. And if I find that the data is not good, I can just refute it and it gets refuted from my side. So yeah, this is another consensus mechanism that we have over here. That was it from my side. There is a lot of future scope to this project that I will be putting in the description of our project submission. So yeah, I'm hoping you really like this project. Thank you so much.